You see guys, all products are made by a brand and each brand has its own product. So welcome back to the channel guys. Hope everybody is doing great. In this video I'll be explaining you about what are all the modifications, especially the budget modifications I've made it on my Royal Enfield Himalayan vehicle. So I think you can see my vehicle standing out there. Secondly, I'll be explaining you about what is the first service cost of Royal Enfield Himalayan, and third, I'll be telling you about my accessories, what accessories I basically have, what gears I have for the long ride and the short rides, basically what I use, and that's it. These are the three parts. These are the three things I'll be detailedly explaining you about. Probably this video might go a bit long. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, do comment below in my comment section so that it inspires me to make videos. So firstly, we'll start from the top. I've not made any sort of modifications on my console, not even some stickering or something like that. Nothing has been done on this. So this is from Royal Customs. This is a hand gripper. I don't feel this is great. This is not that good for long rides because it is a bit slippery. I've got it for the both sides, and this is there's a condition right now. There's a condition of this, it slips like this. When I use my gloves and all, it slips a lot. It feels bit, pain. So that's the reason I don't recommend this. It's from Royal Customs, and this was charged something around 550 rupees for me. This is the knuckle guards. This is basically from Royal Enfield itself. I'll focus it. If you can see the logo here, this is from Royal Enfield itself. They charged me something around 2,200 rupees for this knuckle guards, which are basically good but not happy. I'm not satisfied with the system they have. I'm not satisfied with what these performs, but they are pretty good. They're pretty hard. If you can see. And this is a small stickering of my channel, Adventure Wise. And next thing, what I've got is I've got this fog lamps. This lights, which is of which is from LGP brand, but it's really good. It performs really well, and I've been using this quite from past 1.5 months. I don't have any issues with this, and this is the stickering I've made on my vehicle. If you can see here, Adventure Wise channel, please do subscribe. And this lights cost me something around 800 to 900 rupees, and this is my mobile holder. This is my mobile holder. I can use it in this way, because tighten it or loosen it in the both directions. They're pretty tight, but I don't recommend this because it's pretty costly as well, and once you have to open it, opens at one side, one direction only. Other direction does not open at all. It will be stagnant. I have to lift again, open it in this direction, in both directions, in order to keep my mobile in a proper way. That's it. And it has got charging point as well. It has got very good charging point. It is pretty faster. It's pretty fast, and it has got small switch, a small white color switch, which has got on and off button here. On and off button, we have that option for on and off as well. And that's it on the top. I don't have so much modification done on this because what basically I feel is on Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 version, The vibrations are pretty low, really low. I forgot to mention you about this Mad Dog switch. They charged me. This was charged me something around 560 rupees, which has got no warranty, but it's really good. It acts really fast. This switch is for the lights which are at the bottom. For this lights I've used that switched from Mad Dogs. No warranty for the lights, no warranty for the switch as well. And next thing, what I want to basically talk about this super crash carts. These are really amazing crash carts. Don't mind, my vehicle is pretty dirty because it's raining continuously from past 2 weeks, so that's the reason I've not washed the vehicle, so I've kept it like that itself. They charged me something around 900 rupees for this from JC Road itself. 900 rupees, pretty good for the person who has low on his budget can use this. And these are the seating arrangements I've made. So I felt that zebra design is looking pretty good on my vehicle, so I went on for zebra designs. This costed me something around 350 rupees for both the seats. These are not really good ones, but for your budget, 350 rupees, that's not a bad one. That's really good. And this is the saddle stay. This saddle stay, this costed me something around 2200 rupees. The issue in this is this. Look at this. Whenever it goes like this, whenever I go on a hump or on any off-roading section, this happens. This is the bad noise of this. If you can feel that. This is really bad, but costing 2200 rupees, and this has to be really looking. Next one thing is this. This is from SRC. This is not to protect the fuel injector. So if I get this fuel injector damaged, it will be costing something around 3000 to 4000 rupees. This was charged me something around 800 rupees. And these are the only modifications I've made it on my Royal Enfield Himalayan. That's it. Especially BS6 variant, it is really good. Vibrations have been looked properly. Until unless I reach 115 to 120, I don't feel vibrations. BS6 variant, and engine is totally refined. It's really good. I really maintain this. I really maintain my chains and all. This is how the condition of my chains is right now. Basically, after driving for something around 1600 kilometers, I use Motul chain spray followed by WD-40 in order to clean my chains. So I basically do it something around for 300 to 400 kilometers. So that's it on the bike, guys. So now I'll move on with my gears I basically use for long rides as well as short rides. So these are the gears I basically use, and this is the riding jacket I use right now. For longer rides I use Soleil's jacket. Why? Because it is really good, first thing, and it has got, I'll show you right now, and it has got L2 armor on this. This is the L2 armor. If you can see, this is for the shoulders. It's really thick when compared to the Royal Enfield L1 armor, which I've got with jacket, which I've got it from Royal Enfield. Basically that is for free. So this is really good. It's really hard and it's really thick, so I basically preferred this L2 armor one. So this was costed me something around 6500 rupees, and this is really an budget thing which I have got. This is a Soleil's jacket, and from the back it looks like this. This is how it looks from the back. These are the gloves that I use for the longer rides. This is from Rhinox. This is from the Rhinox brand. It's really good. Tough plastic in the front, very good. But this costed me something around 3200 rupees. More half the price of the jacket. Whatever the money you give towards this gloves that is really worth towards it. So that's the reason I recommend this gloves, Rhinox. Probably I have paid more. Now you can get it for the less cheaper price, but just check it out. I can't provide you the information online, but I can provide you the only information. This I have brought it. All these accessories I have brought it from Lal Bagh Road, Bangalore. There, people get all kind of riding gears. So next thing I'll be talking you about my knee guards. These are the knee guards from Mototech and never stop evolving. These are the knee guards from Mototech, which has costed me something around 4,400 rupees. This is really good. Why I recommend you this? Because I'll show it to you in a second. This is from Mototech. Why I recommend you this? Because so the reason behind recommending you this is this is how the packaging comes. That's the best part of this. This is from my right knees. This knee guard, what it does is it has got this. So whenever you sit in this position, in this direction, or whenever you stand, whenever you walk, this has got to and fro motion. If you can see, there's something written here, motocross appliances. Motocross. This is really helpful for riders. Why? Because whenever you walk or whenever you sit, this will really help. And one of the main advantages of this is this, the locking system. It's so easy, no need to tie, no need to do anything. Whatever your size is, you can adjust. And this is the locking system. You have got extra button as well. In any case if this breaks, or in any case this breaks, you will have extra button. In any case you lose this, you have extra button. Really recommended. That's been given by Mototech. And next one is the hand gloves, which I basically use for the shorter rides. This is from Royal Enfield, which they gave it for free. Actually, not for free, it was some offer which was running on that day, so that's the reason they gave it for me. So this is from Royal Enfield. This gloves is from Royal Enfield. This is not that, eventually this is not really great, but it has got some good plastic out here, or fiber or something like that. Got good rubber. This fits really neat, and I really love this, but not recommended for longer rides. When you have got huge vibrations, when you go at 140 or 150 kilometers per hour, so this will not support your hand. You will feel really bad. This is how it looks. Look wise, it's really great. I basically recommend this as well, but for this price tag, for something around charging 3,000 rupees, I really don't recommend this. This was something around 2,000 rupees, which I can go for the shorter rides on something around 100 kilometers or 150 kilometers. Once you drive for 200, 250, 300, this really starts aching at your hand or something like that. So this feels really uncomfortable. So I don't recommend this for longer rides. For shorter rides, it's the best one. Easy to wear, easy to remove. That's it. This jacket is from Royal Enfield, which they give it for free, or the one which I got this gloves as well. So I think if you have not seen my Royal Enfield Himalayan delivery video, please go. It is in the I button, which is the top, and this is not that good. This has got only L1 armor. If you can see the thickness, it's really thin. That's not really good, but I recommend this jackets only for the person who have less budget on their hands, on spending on the bike as well, and spending on this jacket will make them really a burden. And safety is only 50% on this. Safety, I don't recommend this, but really good and comfortable. I feel more comfortable than Solis. This is really comfortable, but got L1 armor. I'll show you this. This is the armor. This is how it looks. The rubber inside this is, the cushioning inside this is this. This is my riding shoes. I think you know about my riding shoes, what basically I use. It's Orazo riding shoes. If you have not seen that video as well, the link is above in the I button. Please do check that as well. Really good boots, but once if you use it on waters and all, do clean it and keep it, or else I'll show the condition. If you don't clean it, the Orazo riding boots, after 3 to 4.5 months or 5 months of review, and this is the condition of this. Can you see the white patches over this? Best budget shoes. If you go on a ride in water, then clean it and keep it. If you don't clean it and keep it, and this is all the condition is about. White patches. So now I have to clean it. So right now I have to vlog. I'll finish the vlog, then I'll start cleaning this. 2 things are finished: accessories of the bike, and second is what are the gears I really basically use for the long ride and short ride. First service cost was something around 1200 rupees. They charged me 1200 rupees just to change the oil in order to tune up the engine, in order to tune up the accelerator, and next one is in order to clean the chains. They charged me just in order to do these 3 things. They charged me 1200 rupees. That is really heavy from Royal Enfield. So that's it for this vlog, guys. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, do comment, do share. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, so that it will help us in order to make good amount of videos. Thank you. Please subscribe to my wife's channel. The channel name is Craftowize. Don't give the space in between. Crafto, Craftowize. Craftowize, wherein you get good amount of crafts made by her. So subscribe to our channel, watch it. If you're free, really make it. Stay safe, stay home.